And the winner of the National Youth Dance Championship is Maya Carter!
They laughed when I danced. They said I looked silly, and I used every single one.
Next month, we will have our annual school talent show. I encourage everyone to sign up and share your talents.
I think I want to dance in the talent show. You? Dance? That has to be a joke. No offense, Maya, but nobody wants to watch that. Maybe they were right. Or maybe they were about to be very wrong.
I can do this.
How long have you been practicing? Every day, since they laughed. They were wrong. Keep dancing.
Next performer, Maya.
Maya, that was extraordinary. We would like to invite you to compete in the National Youth Dance Championship.
Me?
Yes, you.
And the National Youth Dance Champion is Maya Carter.
Never let someone else's opinion become your future. Keep going.